In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Slack workspace URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on both desktop and mobile and how to confirm you've got the right address to share or save. First, let's cover the quickest way. On desktop, open Slack and look to the left sidebar. At the very top, you'll see your workspace name. Click that name to open the workspace menu. Near the top of that menu, Slack displays your full workspace URL right below the name. It's the unique web address that usually looks like something followed by .slack.com. That's the address people need to access your workspace. If you're switching between multiple workspaces, make sure you're clicking the correct workspace name so you don't copy the wrong URL. On mobile, the process is just as simple. From the Home tab, swipe right to open the left sidebar. You should see your workspace name at the top of that panel. Slack shows the workspace URL right underneath the name. If you don't see it immediately, tap the workspace name to expand the header and reveal the details. Once you spot it, you can note it down or copy it depending on what your device allows. If you'd like to double check the address or don't see it in the menu, there's another reliable route. Open the same workspace menu and select Workspace Settings. This opens your Workspace Settings page in a browser. Under the General tab, look for the section that lists your workspace details. You'll see the workspace URL clearly labeled there. As a bonus confirmation, glance at your browser's address bar while you're on that page. It also shows the same workspace URL, so you know you've got the right one. A couple of quick tips to make this easier. If you belong to more than one Slack workspace, verify the name at the top of the menu before copying the URL to avoid mixing them up. The URL format is consistent, so if what you're seeing doesn't look like a .slack.com address, you may be in the wrong place. And when you need to share it, copying from the Workspace Settings page or directly from the sidebar is generally the cleanest option. That's it. Use the sidebar for a fast glance at your URL or head to Workspace Settings for a clear, confirmed view under General with the address bar as a handy backup. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find your Slack workspace URL whenever you need it.